S710 Microtome installation video. Unpacking and accessories display. Open the box and take out the assembly. Lift the Microtome by holding both sides of the assembly with both hands in the groove. Host. Handwheel. The blade holder assembly. Waste tray. User manual. Anatomical tweezer. Small brush. Writing brush. Allen wrench. Slide. Power cable. Installation. Take out the handwheel and flip it. Align the grooves of the handwheel with the protruding track, at the right position for handwheel at the instrument, and install the handwheel in place. Insert the fixed screw supplied with the handwheel and then fixed it. Finally, install the round cover to complete the installation. Take out the separately packaged tool holder assembly. First, align the groove on the bottom of the tool holder to the sliding rail on the bottom plate of the Microtome. Push the tool holder assembly in and then push the locking lever to lock tool holder. It is recommended that the distance is between 20 to 30 millimeters. Take out the waste tray and install it on the bottom plate from the front. Instrument details. Display screen. Specimen head. The blade holder assembly. Waste tray. Handwheel. Handwheel lock for any position. Parameter knob. Coarse feed wheel. USB port. DB9 port. Power switch. Power cable socket. Adjustment of the blade holder assembly. To release the middle of lock lever, and move the tool holder assembly to the left and right. To release the upper of lock lever, carefully pushing in the blade from the side. When the blade needs to be removed, release the upper of lock lever, and carefully take out the blade with your hand or tweezers. Use our Allen wrench to insert the hole to adjust the angle. The recommended clearance angle is 5 degrees, and it can be turned down appropriately when deal with hard specimen. After adjusting the angle, use an Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Adjustment of the specimen head assembly. Loosen the locking screw on the specimen clamp. Once loosened, the X-axis direction can be adjusted by turning the knob on the right side of the specimen head. Turn the adjustment knob above the specimen head to adjust the direction of the Y-axis. One turn the knob is rotated, the specimen is tilted by 2 degrees. After the angle adjustment, lock the locking screw. When installing the specimen, firstly push forward the protuberant lever of the specimen clamp, load the specimen horizontally or vertically, and loosen the lock lever to clamp the specimen. Specimen can be adjusted for installation direction. End of installation tutorial.